Kid Kasuko. In this video, we're talking about the COVID-19 pandemic. Since this pandemic was spread in our country, staying at home, physical distancing, wearing face mask and face shield are the protocol that we need to follow and to need to do for our safety and when going outside our house. Many establishments are closed. One of that are schools because of the pandemic. The teacher and student, both public and private, is need to adjust the new normal system of our education learnings or modular learnings. Online learnings are visible problem because some of student does not have a good and strength connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity or data. Not at all students have a gadget that they can use while in online learnings. I am seeing my cousin, my nieces struggling because of the lack of time to do the requirements both online or modular. The stressing of this pandemic is so hard. For me, face-to-face learning was still good quality of education wherein we can only focus on our lesson, we can listen carefully, and also many of students is going to be stressed in this pandemic and depressed. And we need to give them an attention that they need for them not to give up their education and not left behind. Because in this time, we heal as one and no one left behind. Thanks guys, thank you for watching. Peace.
Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm going to talk about the effects of COVID-19 pandemic to the different social institutions. First is family. The effects of COVID-19 pandemic in the family is a lot. As you are with your family, this pandemic, you eat together, but the problem is financial. Many people lost their jobs because of the pandemic, and it's difficult to earn money no pandemic because there are only limited things to do. Next is the effects of COVID-19 pandemic in our health is a lot because it's not good for our body health, and there's a lot of people died in COVID. We need to take our body healthy, and health safety is the one we need now this pandemic, and right now the number of COVID cases increase even more. So we need to take our body healthy. Next is the effects of COVID-19 pandemic in the economy. Many people will start losing their jobs because of the pandemic because the company are also losing their profits, so they need to reduce employees. So a lot of people now have a financial problem. Next is the effect of COVID-19 pandemic in the religion. It gives a big impact too in the religion because many people can't go to church because all the church is closed. But now, few church is open, but only few people can attend to the mass. The last is the effects of COVID pandemic in education. A lot of students is currently studying through online class, but the other effect is few students don't have laptop or gadgets to use, so it's hard for the student to learn in online class. Due to pandemic, we need to learn through online class because all the schools are closed and for the safety of the student.
COVID-19 has a huge impact in our society. We could say that this is the worst pandemic that happened. Our life changed. Those things that we used to be couldn't happen for the meantime. We're not able to celebrate other occasions and hugs our friends. COVID-19 makes Filipino life harder. Many lost their job and they have nothing to give and prepare at the table. The economy went down, especially the tourism industry. Many are being affected. In this situation, anger and disagreement has no space. Let's always choose help and understand one another.